This is a quick video about our VRBO lake rental house that we had here. Coming down the driveway, it's a little narrow between the two houses, but there's plenty of space. Good sized yard, everything is fenced in. That's the pool off to the right, the main house right there, the double decker. You can see the lake in the distance. And this is a small 3-bedroom, 1-bath extra house. This is the 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom house. You can see there's a bathroom over there. And I'll walk you through the bedrooms here. This is the sitting area. We're checking out, so don't mind the, there's a little bit of a mess, but we're checking out. We've been here a week and had a great time. This is the master in the smaller, and you can see that there is a door out onto a small patio overlooking the lake. Another door to the bathroom going through the main area. And there's 2 bedrooms back here. The first bedroom has a double bed. Second bedroom has a pair of twin beds. And we'll go back out and take a look at some more stuff. Nice big yard. Again, everything is fenced in. And let's go take a look at, there's the pool off to this side, and you can see this is the main deck. Still haven't finished cleaning up as we're checking out. One thing you'll notice is it is gated. There's a gas grill here that you can use. The main way in and out of the pool was either this door to the upstairs kind of main living area of the main house, or there's a door facing the lake down at the bottom. And back over here to the pool. There's plenty of pool chairs. The pool was great. Heading down toward the lake and the dock from the house, you can see we've got a good bit of lakefront here, and we've put chairs all along various places sitting in the shade. That double decker dock is the neighbor's, and this is the one that's attached to the rental house. This concrete building to my left looks like it used to be where they pull a boat into. They've got a couple of kayaks in here that they made available to us. They looked like they were in good shape, but we never used them. So we had a couple of dogs here, and the dogs really enjoyed getting out, walking into the water. You see this little island about 50, 100 feet out, and there's a sandbar all the way out that you can wade. Even our dogs could wade out to the island without having to swim out to the island, and then 10, 20, 30 feet on either side of the little island, the dogs can wade. They really had a good time here. You can see that we're pretty protected back here. I'm standing at the end of the dock, and that's looking back at the house and the property. So walking in to the lower level of the house, first thing you're greeted with is a good sized room with a nice pool table. I really enjoy shooting some pool, and this was a nice setup for us. They've got some nice house cues. They've got an 8-ball rack, a 9-ball rack. They've got cue chalk, they've got hand chalk, they've got a nice brush. You can see right next to us, we've got a chess table where there's some chess going on. They've got this big closet, and there are some games currently in here. Handful of games there. There's a wiffle ball and a volleyball right down there. Take you back on the ground floor. There's the 1 bathroom right here. Nice bathroom. Ignore all the towels. We've just checked out. Everything was really nice and clean when we moved in. And so this is the single bathroom on the ground floor. Everything's in nice shape. There's a laundry room right here, and they did provide some laundry detergent and everything. Vacuum, dish bowls for a dog that was here with the house. This is set up kind of as a kid's room, a very small table. Day bed, and then a bunk bed with a twin up top and a double down at the bottom. but everything was really nice. We've been here a week and we've kind of straightened up just a little bit before we're leaving. On the ground floor, next to the pool table, we're gonna go take a look at the second bedroom downstairs. So this is the second bedroom downstairs. You've got a little closet, you've got a nice dresser. Everything is really done well. Here's a big king size bed downstairs. Downstairs next to the pool table, we're gonna take up the steps upstairs to the main level. Upstairs, this is kind of the main family gathering area. You can see double doors to the outside deck. Here we are upstairs. There's a good sized couch, good sized TV there over the mantle. Keep in mind the house itself is octagonal, so that's the center there that you can kind of see with the beams going up into it. Here's the family living area, dog not included, that belongs to us. Good size table here, really nice looking, interesting table here. And so here's, you can see from the see into the kitchen area. We'll go take a quick look at that. Good size kitchen, full size refrigerator, full size everything. Everything worked well. You can see the door out onto the upper deck, and outside, I think my lighting is screwed up, but outside that you can see the pool directly. Over here next to the refrigerator, there's a good sized pantry, and the microwave is here. Just to show you inside the pantry. One of the things they told us was that there's a lot of stuff in the house. Here's some Vienna sausages, some flour, some canned goods. They basically said help yourselves to anything that was here. There were some condiments you can see that were here, and we used a few of those, and we're leaving it with about what we left, about what we showed up with. Toaster oven, view out toward the street through the window here. Back out of that. And so this is the view from the pantry. This is about toward the street roadside of the building. Through the windows, you probably can't see it, but through that window looks straight down onto the lake and the dock. From the main floor living room, you can see the deck out to the right. There's the stairs that we came up, and here's the main floor master bedroom and bathroom. Good, nice king size bed. Also double doors outside. Good size TV. Dresser, good windows. Even a desk with a rolling chair here. Good size closet. And a really nice bathroom here with a huge soaking tub. Several said they were going to use the soaking tub, and nobody ever did. Dual vanities. Nice walk-in shower with a dual heads in there, and even a little water closet. That's the master bedroom and bathroom. Looking from the main level master bedroom, right here, you've got the steps down to the lower level. You've got double doors that we're going to walk out. You've got the main living room. And we'll go ahead and walk out the double doors onto the deck with a great view of the lake. You can see the smaller house. That's the 3-bedroom, 1-bath house. Got a beautiful view of the lake out here. Got some outdoor deck furniture. It rained off and on all the time, so that's why the cushions are up here, but this was a really nice place to sit and just take a look at the lake. And then you'll see over here a good upper deck view of the pool. Pool was great. Used the grill a couple times, and you can also see I've walked around the side of the house here. There's steps from the kitchen side of the house. This door takes you into the kitchen. And then these steps take you down to the pool. Ready to go home?
Yes.
Have a good time?
Yes.
Great place?
Awesome.
Would you recommend it?
I would definitely recommend it.
Gonna be back here again?
It would be nice.